Hi traders. Welcome to Connexar Capital YouTube channel. Hope our analysis video is helping you people to prepare for the upcoming trading week. Watch our weekly market forecast video and remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's see. Weekly Forex market forecast, November 28th to December 2nd, 2022. Overlook at the global major economy releases this week. RBA governor speaks twice this week on Monday and Friday could make an impact on the Australian dollar. RBNZ governor also speaks on Friday, which may make tremors on New Zealand dollar strength. This week Tuesday and Friday hold major reports on the Canadian dollar, respectively GDP monthly report and employment news reports. Swiss franc holds important economy data of the Consumer Price Index report on Wednesday this week. The Eurozone unemployment report will be released on Thursday. BOE's Governor Bailey speaks on the second trading day of the week Tuesday. Following the Thanksgiving holiday, the dollar suffered some additional weakness. The barrage of U.S. economic data that will dominate the agenda this week. The latest NFP data release could be the main attraction along with PCE inflation readings. Except for the above-said major pairs economic reports, globally we do have other economic data like Japan's unemployment rate, retail sales report, South Korea GDP, industrial and retail sales data, Thailand trader report, India Q2 GDP, global PMI data, and Indonesia inflation reports are also taking place this week. We are seeing a comparison of weekly currency strength comparison for the last 2 weeks. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Swiss franc are the strong currencies for the last few days. Whereas the euro and the JPY are lost momentum this week. US dollar and Canadian dollar are the underperforming currencies continuously for 2 weeks. Britain's pound raised a bit this week. This currency strength tracking could help us to find the momentum in the market always. So, this week we are waiting to see whether US dollar could rise up or not. In mid of influx of economic news data. Dollar Index or DXY weekly forecast. Bears have controlled the dollar index during the month of November. Monthly low of 105 price area is acting as strong support so far. After the November 15th dip. This pair is trending between 105 to 107. And a lot of congestion is visible. At the corner of the descending channel, perhaps the pattern getting respected, and the price has all the chance to move upside towards the 110 zone. Provided if it breaks above the level 107.50 resistance zone. Besides, US dollar's stability is waiting for an acid test. With the flood of news releases, including NFP data and the core PCE index. So it's a busy week ahead for US dollar. EURUSD, weekly forecast for November last week. Here is our euro against dollar chart set up for this week. What could we see in this day's chart is there is a double top structure in making. Bullish November movement. Might look for some retracement. This week, if the dollar gains strength, this pair could try to break below the 1.02 mark. If the downward break movement happened, then the price has all the chance to touch the 1.007 zone, where there is strong support is waiting. And we can see a rising wedge formation in EURUSD, which could have a good chance of a downward momentum. Pound against dollar. Weekly forecast. Pound against dollar pair. produced a bullish November so far. we could see a strong resistance in the vital price zone of 1.20 price mark, and it very well can be called a supply zone for this pair. If the price breaks the current support of this pair, then the price could go down around 1.16 price zone. Like all the USD correlated pairs, this pair too got the rising wedge pattern. Chart in the day time frame. Rules of pattern obeys, then. The bearish future movement is inevitable. Dollar against Japanese yen. Weekly forecast. This pair had strong support around the 138.50 level. Last 2 weeks the price is trending near the support, but not enough strength to pierce down. Last couple of weeks both USD and yen are shown a sign of weakness, but it is still this pair has got something around the high price level of 145 mark. If the US dollar gains strength in the coming days, the price of this pair has a fair chance of upward movement. And here, we can see a continuation pattern of flag structure formation, which indicates a bullish outlook. The new low of November could have a retracement before going further down around the later part of December month. Gold against dollar. Weekly forecast. Gold against the dollar price is trending at a strong resistance zone. This resistance zone should be treated as much as significant because of the long-term presence in the gold price movement. In the weekly chart also, 1760 zone is appearing as a potential supply area. May the price could retouch this point of the price of 1760 again before it makes the down movement. In day chart, the price action of this pair suggests an idea of a bearish movement, but the price of 1700 level is at the risk of breaking down. If the breakout down movement will be possible, then 1675 could be the next stop for this pair. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and subscribe to the channel. And please post your valuable thoughts on the comments section. Wishing you all for a successful week ahead.